Hi, this video is about if you drop your phone in the water and you want to get the water from the phone so it can work again. What you need to do is you get these items. You get a plastic bag where moisture cannot leave or get in, like a garbage bag, like a clear garbage bag or whatever, ziplock bag or whatever you have that moisture cannot get in from outside. And you buy this from probably like a dollar store, moisture eliminator. And this is your phone that you dropped in the water, and Bounty paper towel and all these stuff. So this is what you have to do. You wrap your phone in the towel paper and you put a rubber band around it. Oops, I hope somebody could help me with this. Okay, so the stuff can't get in. You open this, the moisture eliminator. Close that again, and put this in the plastic bag. And you put your phone right on top of it. This, and just securely close the bag and just let it suck the moisture out of it. Hope you watch the video.